Good day guys and welcome. In this very simple video I will show you how to check history in Figma. So basically what this means, history, so when you work on certain projects, for example you're creating some new ones, adding stuff to them, or maybe importing projects from other services, the ones you work with, they actually will appear in the history, so you can basically view them more easily. So for example, if you're working on some actively working on a project and you want to, for example, turn off the PC and then the next day come back to it and go to that project quickly, you can actually do that very simply. So you just go to the home page and then go to the recent, and as you can see guys, in here we have the recently views. This is actually it. Then shared files and shared projects. So just click on this recently viewed button, and any recently viewed or edited or opened projects that you've interacted with will be shown in here. So as you can see, this one just was just edited now. I was just recording a video and working on this one. And if you want to go back to it, just double click and you will be right here. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.